Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the SMS settings in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it, and in this page you should just select the last option, which is settings. And in this page you can just select the SMS option there down below, and here you can manage the SMS settings, such as the default SMS app. You can just activate it, press OK. You can also you can set it beep as default. You can also auto retrieve the MMS if you want to. You can also set the notification settings. You can also activate and deactivate things like here and press save at the top of your right corner. And you can just go back and basically manage the rest of the settings that you want. And if you are done with it, you can just go back basically, and all of your changes will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.